All right, so what is solar energy and how does it work? Let's start with what it is. I will do what I can to break this down in a way that helped me to understand what solar was. Solar is the most abundant supply of energy on our incredible planet Earth. Approximately 173,000 terawatts of solar power poured down on the Earth at any given moment. That is over 10,000 times the planet's total energy requirements. By catching the sun's energy and turning it into power for your house or company, solar power is an integral solution in combating the present climate catastrophe and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. So let's talk about how solar energy works. It releases tiny packets of energy known as photons, which travel 93 million miles from the sun to Earth in approximately 8.5 minutes. Each hour, sufficient photons affect our world to generate enough solar energy to meet global energy demands for a whole calendar year. Currently, photovoltaic energy accounts for just 0.5% of the energy consumed in the US. But solar technologies are advancing and solar costs are falling quickly. Therefore, our capacity to exploit the sun's great abundance of energy is on the upswing. In 2017, the International Energy Agency revealed that solar has become the planet's fastest growing supply of power, making it the first time solar energy expansions have surpassed that of other fuels. Ever since that time, solar has continued to grow and crush records around the world. Yes, still lots to learn and lots to know, but this is the way I've learned it. This is why I'm here to try to help you as best as I can. So, continue to shine bright.